Hey there. Welcome to this 101 course on the ARMv8-A architecture. And this is like the 64-bit architecture from ARM. And what we are going to do is take a look at how to deal with this CPU. How can one go about understanding and learning the CPU and then writing software for it? Uh, so first off, maybe let me just, quickly write down. So we are going to take a look at the ARM v8-A class of CPUs. What A is, we'll talk about that in a while. But this happens to be also called like the ARCH64 because it's a 64-bit architecture. Again, what architecture means, we'll talk about it in a while. And we are going to only, specifically focus on how to study these, study slash, understand. That's the only thing we'll focus on, right? And now let's talk about what ARM architecture means, what ARM is. So ARM is a company that only provides or makes specifications, right? And specifications of what? So specifications of architecture, right? And this architecture is of the CPU. So what a CPU should do, this is a company that kind of provides specifications for that. This company in itself, they do not manufacture silicon of their own, right? They do not go to the foundries, to the fabs and say, hey, manufacture this CPU for me. They do not do any of that. They only provide specifications or documents, so to speak, architecture documents. And then there are other partner. uh, oh, okay. There are other partner companies, and these can be like, Texas Instrument, ST, Microelectronics, NXP, so on and so forth. So these are the companies which take the specification, and then based on this specification, they'll kind of, create a silicon chip, go get it manufactured from the foundries, like TSMC, Samsung, and so on and so forth. And then these are the ones that, sell the chips in the market. Right. And what ARM does is ARM takes a cut out of every chip that they sell. So kind of royalty to, taking their architecture and creating a chip out of their architecture. Now, again, long story short, ARM is a company, makes architecture, just the documents. They take royalty in terms of whoever, is wanting their architecture and converting it into the chip. So that's like the business model. Now the question is, what all CPU architectures these folks provide, and that we'll get to in the next video.